How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect your Astro A50 to Bluetooth. Now, this is going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your headset right here, and then you just want to make sure that it is turned on. You will be able to see a LED light that indicates that your device is working properly. From there, let's head over to our charging dock, which is going to be this one. And simply you want to head over to the back of it, which will look like this. And the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that the settings is set to PC. So you want to go ahead and twist this knob onto the left side, and that will switch the program into the PC connection mode. Now, also onto the micro USB, you can just plug the micro USB right here, and then you want to plug the other end onto the USB port of your computer, making sure that the charging dock is simply connected to the computer itself. Now, this will react as a Bluetooth receiver for our headset. So from there, you will be able to confirm that it is working properly by this PC icon. Now, the only thing that you need to do is to simply plug your headset back onto the charging dock. And then now let's head over to our computer. From here, simply search for the sound setting or sound mixer options. And then for the output audio, just go ahead and select the headset right here. What you can do is to also head over to the Microsoft Store. And basically from here, we can download the application for the Astro Command Center, which is going to be this one. And so those are the ways on how you can connect your Astro headset to Bluetooth. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.